Do you have an emergency fund? Well, if you don't, you need to have one. And if you don't have one, you need to get one started as soon as possible. And I'm here to help you. I have created a savings challenge to help you get emergency funds started if you don't have one. And it is working with small amounts of money. And it is a 52-week savings challenge. And it will really, really help you. That way, if you have an emergency, you'll have some money to tap into. So join me and stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2026. Let's save more in 2026 and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel, click the like button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for emergency. And you will be happy when you have some money to tap into if an emergency comes. If they come, they can be avoided. But that's okay. We want to have money to tap into. You don't want to have to go out and get one of these, and run up a bunch of these, okay? You want to stay out of this. Because it's not free money, we pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. And this here is this. So we want to stay out of this. And putting away small amounts of money every time we get some money, it adds up over time, and you will have money to tap into when emergency comes. Now, something like this is okay because this is using other people's money, and it can cause us to become financially free and have passive income. Yeah. And another thing that will help you, if you do whatever you can to start coming out of this, okay? This can help you to save money for emergency and have money to tap into if you don't have to pay this, okay? Now, we know we need to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000, but we don't want to stop there. We want to say 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month, multiply that times 3 or 6, and that will let you know how much you need to save. That way, if you have something like this happens, you'll still have money to tap into. You can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance, your car insurance, and you can buy food until your situation changes if something like this was to happen. And then you'll also have money to tap into if you have things like this going on. It's nothing worse than being in this situation when an emergency comes. And this is a great savings challenge if this is your situation, but if it is, do whatever you can to increase it. You want to have more than one stream of income. You want to have multiple streams of income, okay? And it's a great savings challenge if this is your situation because, like I said, we're working with small amounts of money, okay? Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 6, which I do on Saturdays. And what you need for this savings challenge is it don't have to be this, but if you can get one, that'll be good. Now, this was 2025 savings challenge, and I call this my money box savings challenge. And this one I had for 2025, and I kept thinking I wanted to get something where you can see the money. You can't really see the money. Once I put it in, you can't really see it. And this was completed in 2025, okay? $1,000 was saved in this box. Okay, so I've got another one, which is clear, and you can see the money this time. And I got this off of Amazon. You can find them on Amazon, Temu and TikTok, things like that. I forgot how much this was. I think this one was $19.99. This one was about $14 or $15, okay? I didn't really need another one, but I wanted one where you could see the money. Okay, and it has these markers on here, but we're not going to really use those because the goal is to save $1,000. And we're going to do it in a 52-week savings challenge. So, and what else you need is this. $20 bills. We're stuffing this box with $20 bills every Saturday. Okay? So that's basically in a month, $80 in a month. Okay? Now, if you can't do that, do what you can. If you can't do it every week, do it every 2 weeks. If you can't just do what you can. Don't put yourself in any bind in any situations doing these savings challenges. Okay? And another thing, live on less than what you make. Watch your spending. Staying out of this. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow. Go to the store, buy food, and meal prep instead of eating out all the time. Eating out is expensive. And if you go to the store and buy food, and yes, food is getting higher at the stores, but it costs more to eat out, okay? And if you're a person that likes to go to this place, you can buy this at the store when you're grocery shopping, and you'll have more coffee and spend less money. Okay, now, we are doing daily affirmations. This is something I added to these videos because death and life is in the power of our tongue. We have what we say. We're going to call those things as being out as though they were. And we're going to believe it, receive it, and expect it. Okay? And say these with power and authority. Write them down and say them every day, all day, as much as you can. Okay? I decree and I declare money now. I decree and I declare large sums of money now coming to me. Money chases me down. I decree and I declare I am prosperous. Send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am debt free. I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare my checking account and my savings account balance is, and say what you want it to be. I decree and I declare all of my bills are paid in full. All my needs are met. I decree and I declare I don't live in lack or want. I decree and I declare I am now financially free. I decree and I declare I am a money magnet. I decree and I declare I am a rich, wealthy, multi-millionaire. Start seeing it in your mind. Visualize it. Believe it, receive it, expect it. And when you see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. Okay? All right. Now, let's go ahead and take our money and add it. This is the first Money Box Savings Challenge for 2026. Like I said, we did this one, and this one was completed in 2025. And see, this one, it has the slit here for the dollar bills or either coins. But we're not doing coins, or either you can roll the dollar bills up and put it in here also. And this one, it had a opening on the back where you can open it. But this one, it has like little screws on there, and you can take the screws off. But we don't want to take the money out until it's completed. Now, let me also say, to do these savings challenges, you got to have an income. You got to have money coming in. Okay? All right. Okay, we're going to add our money in our money box. All right. Yay! The first $20 saved in 2026. Okay, I have my 2026 planner, and this is how I record everything and keep up with what has been added to our savings challenge. Okay, today is Saturday, January 3rd, and we call this our Money Box Savings Challenge. We added $20, and the total amount is $20. Yay! So, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. I hope someone will say it to help you. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.